close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, good morning, everybody. I am on the way to get mail at the mail place. So we will see. It's actually for these guys. Pirate booted, but like,
What are the air tags?
bam. This package, yeah. Right when we got here, right when I ordered these air tags, they are the Elevation Labs Tag Vault keychains. They're waterproof, which is pretty sweet. Hopefully this included a tool. Oh, fantastic. So basically, these guys are kind of solid plastic, waterproof. Toss the air tag in it, and it's harder to see that it is an air tag, so people don't just try to swipe it off your shit. And then otherwise, it also makes your air tags nearly indestructible. I know they're water resistant already, but this just helps add that extra level of, you know, security and safety to your air tag. Number 2, what else do we have? Amazon. Some of this may be some of the food items that I ordered. This is rubbing alcohol. Use it for cleaning bearings on my skateboard. Oh, Pat, look, there's your, oh wait, never mind, that one's newer.
Yeah, if you can help me find my car, that'd be cool.
This is the,
Because I don't know if I parked over there or not.
the face of a man that doesn't know where his blue
Yeah.
bean I've inspired Pat to start his own vlog. Gabe, how do you feel?
I feel I'm cold. It's
No,
cold.
no, not the temperature. About Pat starting his own vlog. What do you think?
I think it's good.
You're about it?
I am about it.
All right. So, pretty rough. Yeah, supposed to go to Top Golf tonight. We'll see what happens with that. You know, see what the roads look like. Overall, though, not optimistic. Maybe we'll go later. TBD. Fun days, everyone. Alright, well, I'm done with the umbrella. That's fun. Foden and I've just kind of accepted my fate at this point. Yeah, that was definitely a fierce gust we just got. I'm completely soaked. Umbrella prevented at 45. This is gone. She's a lost cause. So, you know, shit happens, I guess. Need a new one. Yeah. Check in with you later. Bro, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Dude, what's up? It's I'll tell you.
50 knot gusts or so. Bet me at a 45.
Oh, what happened to your umbrella there?
Wind.
Wind?
Yeah.
I had mine. I almost got taken away.
Got